Hello, my name is Tyler. I'm going to try my best to answer these regional dialect questions, and I'm just going to say them the way I usually say them. Generally, if I try to speak in a more neutral voice, I guess you could call it neutral, whatever, I'm not going to be on, I'm not a news broadcaster, so that's not my job for you to understand what I'm saying. So, anyway, there's this list of words for this regional dialect in the region that I'm from. You would call it maybe hillbilly, or perhaps some people like to call it redneck, but it's not really redneck, or it's not really even southern. I mean, it's southern, but it's not. It's more of their Appalachian, hillbilly, eastern Kentucky, eastern Tennessee regional. And I guess I'll just go ahead and get started here. So they've got several words here. Looks like about 25. Anyway, so the first word is ant, which spelled aunt, but no one says aunt that I've ever heard. Not even around here. Definitely not around here. Route is the next word, but we would usually say root. Wash, though I have heard wash several times. Next word is oil. I would call that oil. Theater. Iron. Salmon, though I have heard salmon, which I immediately correct. Caramel. Fire, which I have heard far. Water. Sure, or shore. Data. Ruin, though I have heard runt. You add a T, it's R-O-O-N-T, runt. You ruint something. It's ruining something. Toilet, yes. Commode. New Orleans. That has so many different ways of saying that. Pecan. Both. Again. Probably. Probably is how I'd say it. Spitting image. Spitting image. Alabama. Lawyer, which is lawyer, I guess. Coupon, which I've heard coupon. Mayonnaise, I would say mayonnaise. Syrup, it's syrup. Pajamas. And cot. Okay, I'm going to move down here. Now, I have to answer some questions here. And the question here is what is it called when you throw toilet paper on a house? Getting shot at? I don't know, I never really TP'd a house before. What is the bug that when you touch it curls into a ball? I suppose it's a roly-poly. That's what everybody said. What is the bubbly carbonated drink called? That's a pop. What do you call gym shoes? Those are actually called ball shoes. I've heard sneakers, tennis shoes. We call them ball shoes. What do you say to address a group of people? It's not really y'all. Guys. Hey guys. That includes females. I generally just what a bunch, something like that. What do you call the kind of spider that has an oval-shaped body and extremely long legs that is a granddaddy long legs? Come on, guys. Even one is a granddaddy long legs. There's more than one leg. What do you call your grandparents? I think everybody has a different name for the grandparents, but one of them is Gog, actually, that originated from Goggy, because my oldest cousin couldn't say granny when he was younger. Papaw. That's about it on that side. What do you call the wheeled contraption in which you carry groceries at the supermarket? Well, long story short, we call that just a buggy or a shopping cart. What do you call it when rain falls while the sun is shining? It's rain. Or rainbow, or I don't really know what this is asking. I've actually heard if it's about to become a big storm, it's about to come the awfulest spell ever was. But it'll just pass over. What is the thing you change the TV channel with? I've heard everything. I call it a channel changer. It's pretty straightforward. I've heard clicker, I've heard remote, all of them. Use them all. So, I think that's it. And, thank you for listening.